In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a recently closed tab in Google Chrome. Sometimes we accidentally close a tab we weren't quite done with, or maybe clicked that little X in a hurry. But fear not. I'm here to walk you through the simple steps on how to bring that tab back to life. Let's get started by taking a look at the tab bar at the top of Google Chrome. If you've got your browser open, you can see this area just below the URL or address bar, where all your open tabs are neatly lined up. Now find an empty space on that tab bar. You might not think to click on something that's empty, but that's exactly what we're going to do. Right-click with your mouse or trackpad on that empty space in the tab bar. Once you've done that, you'll see a menu appear before you. Among a list of several actions you might perform, there's one that stands out for our purpose today. Reopen Closed Tab. Go ahead and select that option from the menu. By doing this, you're essentially telling Chrome that you'd like to see your last closed tab again, and it should pop right back into place, just as it was before it disappeared. Now, one tip here. If you find that you've closed more than one tab and need to bring several back, this same process can be repeated. Each time you right-click and select Reopen Closed Tab, it will restore the tabs in the reverse order they were closed. Keep doing this until all your previously closed tabs have been restored. For those of you who are all about speed and shortcuts, there's an even quicker way to do this without having to touch your mouse or trackpad. Simply use your keyboard and press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and T all at the same time. This handy keyboard shortcut is a powerful tool for reopening that last closed tab instantly. It's particularly useful if multitasking and quick key combos are your thing. And there you have it. Whether you prefer using your mouse to navigate through menus or tapping out a swift keyboard shortcut, Chrome makes it incredibly simple to retrieve those accidentally closed tabs so you can get back to browsing without missing a beat. I hope these steps help keep your browsing experience smooth and worry-free. Happy surfing!